Lucky Duck calling.
Here to say, in my new pants. Pooped himself.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
To the next stand.
Still warm?
I think so.
Or light?
Yeah. I'd say, well, yeah, well, it's still warm. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm actually not bad.
No, it's not bad.
I didn't even turn anything on.
I got in that little nook, and then I could look into the wind because it was kind of going around the hill.
I think I had it the worst.
And then I had to find the coyotes running in on your guys' side. Hell.
I would have saw them eventually.
Yeah.
That's about the only way I was looking. I was like, I ain't gonna. If anything comes.
Well, we
my
seen
left.
4. The first one came in, popped up about 350 yards, and our amazing, beautiful, awesome camera lady may or may not have been getting up and showing the coyote her butt while she was moving around on the side of the hill, and he seen it.
I was moving my leg because it fell asleep.
You were, when I looked over, you were like this to the coyote, doing something, moving around, and I seen the coyote, and it turns and starts running. I'm like, well, that's weird. And I look over, I'm like, oh, that's why.
Yeah, I screwed that one up.
And then the second one was 600 out, and it just wasn't having it. I don't know. And then there was another one, I don't know, 1,000, 1,200 way off to the left. And then this unlucky feller here came in downwind, way downwind, and then stopped, and he shouldn't have.
Yep.
And Philip rolled him.
Yep.
Put him right to bed.
First call session, first stand with the Super Revolt. It's awesome. We knew it was gonna work, but it's nice to kill one on the very first stand.
Yep.
We still got time for at least one more, so we're gonna go make another daytime stand, and then hopefully put a few down tonight. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, Lucky Duck.
Thank you.
He went right. Look way right. Yeah. The other one's gonna come up to your right. He's straight right. Oh, there he goes. He's gone. He left. through underneath the chin.
Oh, jeez. Mm-hmm. What wasn't it?
580 something like that.